Hey guys, it's Hunter here from O.C.survival, and I'm going to do a quick little knife review on the Kershaw half ton. Very cool knife, very small and very cheap. Can't go wrong with this. For I think it was 12 bucks on Amazon, and it's a very cool little knife. So let me give you the specs real quick. The blade length is 2.5 inches long. Um, Overall length is 6 1/8 inches long. The blade steel is 8 CR1 3 MOV stainless steel. Very good stainless steel actually. It weighs 3.2 ounces. It's pretty light. I mean, it's not the lightest out there, but if they had skeletonized liners, which I think they should have done that, it would have been really, really light. It's glass-filled nylon, the red is, and it's actually really grippy for a glass-filled nylon. And then you got the rubberized grip here, the black. And then it's of course a liner lock. My bad. Let's see if you guys can see that. There you go. It's a pretty good liner lock. And then let's talk about the pocket clip because it's a little different. It's a wrench, guys. Pretty cool. I'm not sure if it's actually usable or not. In some videos, people say it's not, but who knows? But maybe in a different video, I'll show you guys. But yeah, there it is, guys. It's kind of cool. It's like a belt clip, actually. And it's dual thumb studs. It's a one-way pocket clip carry. It's a nice polished finish on the knife, so that's kind of cool. It's a very fast opening knife. As you guys can see. And for the price of this knife, you can't really go wrong. You just have to get it really to see if you like it. I have probably medium-sized hands, and my pinky is just right on the edge. Kind of feels a little weird, but it's alright. It's a pocket knife. Not going to be doing a whole lot of tasks with this. So there it is, guys. It has a small lanyard hole, which is pretty much useless. You can probably fit a bank line in there. It's pretty small. There's no way you can put paracord in there. And quick size comparison. The Kershaw Clash. And then another famous knife. Ontario Rat 1. It's not a very big knife, guys. You might be able to make this your little secondary EDC knife. Or if you're just now starting to get in knives, this would be a great starter or a great second knife or something like that. It's a very cool little knife here. So there it is, guys. Just a quick review on the Kershaw half ton.